So in today's lesson, we shall practice some kanji symbols which have orthogonal intersecting lines like this, as you can see. So let's practice. The first one is for radical 10. This is numeral 10 like this, and we call it, the popular one is Ju, and also we have an onyomi reading which is To. In fact, this is the kunyomi reading and Ju is the onyomi reading. The next one is for soil or earth. We draw it like this. Observe the stroke order, and this is Tsuchi. This is the kunyomi reading and onyomi is Do. Then we have for 1000. So observe the stroke order. This is from the other side, the second stroke and the third stroke. First, second, third. So this is Sen, or it is also called Chi. Then we have kanji for hand. So first, second, third and fourth like this. So first, second, third and fourth like this. So this is Te, which is the most common one, and also Shu is also there. So Te and Shu. Then we have the kanji for that denotes life or birth. So it has many applications. So there are many readings. So we won't go into the readings of this. First, let's write it. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke and fifth stroke. So first, second, this is the third basically, fourth and fifth. So this is nothing but Sei. But as I said, there are many readings for this, but the most popular one is the Sei. Then we have the kanji for year. So first stroke, second stroke. So here the stroke order is different than this, although these two kanjis look very similar, but the stroke order is very different. So in this one, first we had this, then the third, fourth and fifth, but here this is the first, this is the second. Now third will be this one, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one, and this is the final one. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this is Toshi, which means year, and also it is Nen, which is also year. Then we have this kanji for craft or construction. Very simple. First stroke, second stroke and third stroke. First stroke, second stroke and third stroke. So observe that the lower one is little longer than the upper horizontal line. So this is basically Ko. It's also Ku and also Gu sometimes. So all these readings may be applicable, and there are more readings to that. Next is the king. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke and fourth stroke. First, second, third and fourth. This is O. This is O, and this is present only in onyomi. So jewel. So this is a very similar to the king kanji. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke and fifth. So this symbol is this short line is only to differentiate it from the king. First, second, third and fourth. So this is Tama, or this is Gyoku. Then we have country. This we already did some time back. Again, since this incorporates this jewel kanji. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th and 8th. So this is kuni or koku. This means country or motherland. Then we have this symbol for which it represents to hit or to strike. First stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke, fifth stroke and sixth stroke. It looks like an inverted E. So one more time, first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth, fifth and sixth. So this is ataru or even ateru. So this is verb, which means to hit or to strike. So when we write, we will write it like this. The kanji will be written like this, and along with that there will be a ru. So this will be ateru or ataru. And the last kanji for today is to exit or to leave. This also may be used as noun or and as verb as well. So the first stroke, second stroke, third stroke, fourth stroke and fifth stroke. First, second, third, fourth and fifth. So this is de, ru, and this is also can be written as shutsu. Shutsu. And this again we can write it like, say, in the same way we can write first, second, third, fourth, fifth and followed by ru. So this makes it a verb. So this becomes deru. So this is deru. And similarly we can write the verb forms of this. So friends, this is today's practice of kanji, in which we practiced several kanji characters which follow the orthogonal intersection of lines. So if you see here, all these follow basically similar structures. So we are trying to categorize kanjis with something in common so that you can distinctively identify the differences and remember them for long. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Matai masho.